Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're back with another Warhammer 40k reaction video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So another video by WarriorTier. So shout out and credit goes out to him for this video. And this one is called Salamanders Tribute, Anvil of War. Now, if you guys haven't known already, WarriorTier, the name of the channel who creates these videos, go check him out because he is amazing when it comes to like these kind of videos, even though they can't get monetized. But either way, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really curious to see about this one, because all I know about the Salamanders are they're the green space marines, and one characteristics, two things about them is like they're really big on like flame weapons, and based on like so many videos that I saw about like space marines by Bricky and also just like other videos, that they're more compassionate and kind compared to the other legions. That's all I know. So without anything else, let's jump into the video.
To be a salamander is to embody the true purpose of a space marine. Might, compassion, diplomacy. Soldiers for the fragile beings, the defenders of mankind, protecting the lives of the innocent above all else. Our loyalty is a badge of honor. Our gene seed was created with purpose by our God Emperor. We will stop at nothing to secure a safe haven for humanity and fight for the honor of Vulcan. Hailing from a treacherous and unforgiving world, Nocturne made us the warriors that we are today.
Trial by fire.
To confront our legion in combat is to stare into the eyes of 1,000 nightmares. Beneath our ceramite armor is torment encapsulated.
Look at that.
Glowing red eyes. Genetically mutated charcoal flesh. Our conflicts resolved by a furious wall of flame. Plumes of smoke lay in our wake, burning to the ground all that stand in resistance to our legion. To be initiated and accepted into our chapter is to accept
Guy has a mechanical arm.
New beginning. To stand before the apothecaries who dedicated their lives to Vulcan's legacy. To accept their judgments. To have endured meticulous apprenticeship. And to have hunted and annihilated that in which you hope to become. Only the most admirable of men possesses the abilities to perform the storied achievements of Vulcan. Our will to defend is absolute. To protect Prometheus. To protect the elders of Nocturne. To protect all those who call the Imperium home. Our duty does not waver. To mistake the grace and empathy of a salamander for weakness is the pathway to a sweltering grave. For all that remains of our enemies is misery and ash. Betrayal is not tolerated. Renegades will not be forgiven. A trail of smolder and destruction follows the passage to the bounties on their heads. Into the fires of battle, we are unfazed by the inferno we have manifested. Our gene seed provides us unprecedented resilience. the inferno of war is of no concern to our warriors. I have burned many.
It's just fire all everywhere.
Oceans of the Xenos burned by my fire alone. I've seen them scream, begging for their lives.
Damn, looks like they're burning an orc.
Thousands of the Xenos, the women and children, all turned to ash. I witnessed this savagery. I witnessed this purification, the cleansing of their filth, paved way for the grasp of our God Emperor, or the great crusade never ends. Humanity takes its rightful place as the lords of the galaxy. Fearless, we stand untethered in the monastery of doom, fighting with every last scrap of life and succumbing to death before we would ever consider retreat. The diabolical blaze that slaughters entire oceans of orcs. The will to fight. The desire to fortify the land that you inhabit. You will prevail for Prometheus, for Vulcan, and for the Imperium of Man. Into the fires of battle, onto the anvil of war.
All right, so there you guys have it. So that was another great video by WarriorTier. So shout out to him. Make sure to go check out his channel, because I mean he does amazing work. But there you guys have it. So Salamanders tribute, and you can see like the backstory of like how they came to be, and unlike the other ones, like I said, they're known for their fire weapons, so there's just fire everywhere throughout the entire video. But it was amazing. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you watched till the end, I really do appreciate it. And also hit that notification bell so you know when I drop another video. And also thank you so much for your support, and until then, I'll see you guys next time.